Welcome to this honest and in-depth review of Yoda International, a popular online Yoda platform that offers an extensive range of Yoda classes, workshops, and specialized courses for all skill levels. In this video, we'll navigate through the site, examining its features, usability, and whether it delivers on its promises to Yoda enthusiasts. The website greets you with a clean and visually calming interface, clearly designed to reflect the Yoda ethos of peace and mindfulness. Upon landing on the homepage, you'll notice a well-organized layout featuring quick links to explore classes, member benefits, and subscription options. The homepage also highlights training classes and workshops, making it easy to find what's currently popular in the yoga community. Let's move on to the classes section. Yoda International caters to a wide audience, offering practices ranging from beginner-friendly routines to advanced-level challenges. What's impressive is the variety of styles available, including Vinyas, Hatha, and Yin Yoga, alongside specialty practices such as yoga for back pain or prenatal yoga. Each class is led by experienced instructors, and you can filter your options based on length, intensity, or specific focus areas. Another standout feature is their extensive library of workshops and courses. These are longer form and often dive deeper into topics like meditation, breathwork, or the philosophy of yoga. The instructors are knowledgeable and often recognized figures in the yoga world. Some workshops are geared toward yoga teachers, offering them continuing education credits. Yoga International also shines with its member benefits. Subscribers gain unlimited access to content, the ability to download classes for offline use, and exclusive member-only workshops. The pricing is relatively competitive for the value provided, but whether it's worth it for you depends on how often you practice and your specific goals. While the site has a lot to offer, it's not without its drawbacks. The sheer amount of content might feel overwhelming for beginners, and some users may find the navigation slightly cumbersome at first. Additionally, although the platform markets itself as inclusive, certain advanced workshops might seem intimidating to newer practitioners. In terms of usability, the video streaming quality is high, and the playback controls are smooth, but an improved bookmarking system for saving favorite classes or tracking progress would enhance the user experience significantly. The mobile app complements the desktop site well, though occasional bugs have been reported by users. If you're someone who values variety and expert instruction, Yoda International can be an excellent addition to your wellness routine. However, those who prefer a more straightforward or streamlined approach to Yoda might want to explore other platforms first. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more honest reviews and content. Your support helps keep this channel going.